Hello, I'm Svetlana from PresentPerfectCreations.com and welcome to this mini tutorial where I'm going to show you how to wrap flower stems with fabric using the straight method. Here I have a nice denim rose with a short stem which I have already covered with thin paper, and I'm going to further cover it with this stretch of denim. Because denim is thick and it also frays, I needed to back it with thin silk to prevent it from further fraying. In terms of the size of this strip of fabric, you need probably 2-3 centimeters wide and 1 centimeter longer than your stem, the stem you're covering. Generally speaking, it's better to have it slightly wider and longer than you need rather than short and narrow, and it won't be enough. I am using here a double-sided tape. If you don't have that, you can always use just the glue, but tape does make it slightly easier. So we're working on the wrong side of the fabric where the backing is, and I'm going to apply a piece of double-sided tape onto the right side of this strip of denim. So now I'm putting my stem there, and I need to make sure that it's glued in place well, so I'm pressing it with my fingers and slightly rolling it in like this. Now we're going to also cover the bottom so the wire is not seen here. You fold the fabric in and check, how much you need of it, and then cut off any excess to avoid the bulk. You probably will need about 5 millimeters. Fold it in to check if it's okay, and now apply the glue at the bottom of this denim strip to first seal the wire from the bottom. So fold the fabric in and press firmly with your fingers to make sure that it's glued in place. Now start rolling your stem into the fabric and decide how much of this denim strip you actually need. I won't need it all, because otherwise it's gonna just end up in a very thick stem. Probably a couple of centimeters. Once you've decided how much you need, you can apply the glue onto that stretch of denim to glue it in place. So once the glue is applied, roll the stem into the fabric covered with the glue and make sure that you pull it tightly. It has to be quite tight. The fabric should sit very snugly around the stem, and it shouldn't be loose, or shouldn't be any air there or anything like that. Very, very tight. Now I'm cutting off the excess which I won't need, because I'm pleased with the thickness of my stem as is. A little bit of glue here on the edge. If you're using thin fabrics, you can fold this edge in and you will have a nice neat finish, but denim is very thick, so I'm not doing it here, and my backing will help me with fraying or not fraying. You see that it's not looking very neat here, but I'm going to put the calyx there, so it's all going to be concealed. But when you're making stems like that for flowers like tulips, lilies, etc., you will need to work very neatly there, because there won't be any calyx to conceal. So our rose is wrapped with fabric using the straight method, and now it's ready to go onto a headband. Thanks for watching.